Today is 2011, August 12th, on a Friday, 3:30. We have an incoming tide at 7:30, and we're going to do a little fishing. We're back out of San Luis Pass. We've been down at Anderson Way, which is 8 Mile Road, fishing the reefs the last couple of weeks, and really haven't caught anything other than a bunch of stingrays. So we're going to try our luck again on the backside of the Bird Island, and the conditions pretty dang good. It's south wind about 10 miles per hour. Water conditions good, and also this season we're going to have a few people drop in. We're going to have Elvis, and then also Polly from the Jersey Shore is going to check in. So keep watching. You never know what you might see, and hope we can teach you something about a little fishing. And this is kayak fishing, Christmas Bay, San Luis Pass. Thank you. Off we go, heading to the island. Just caught this ladyfish. They're pretty easy to catch. They get real big. They're fun to catch, like a mini tarpon. So as you can see, swallow the hook, throw them back. Let's go get another one, baby. Caught me my first little rat red. Pretty fish. We're gonna throw them back. That's 2 so far. We're using mullet on the bottom, right here off this cut. Let's throw them back, see if we catch us a bigger one. Giddy up! Caught another one. A little bigger red, still too small, so there's definitely a lot of fish here. That's 3 so far in about 15 minutes. We're fishing on the bottom with live mullet. Let's try it again. This is what we're using today. Just have a sinker with a leader, 10-pound line, 20-pound, with a little hook, stainless steel. We're hooking them right here, just like that. Throwing it out there, letting the bait do its work. Caught another ladyfish, a little bit bigger, but they're fun to catch. Caught another redfish. Still rat reds. Haven't caught anything regular size, or say keeper. Still catching plenty skipjack. Actually a few catfish. Yeah, with the mullet, almost as soon as I throw it in, I'm catching something. I'm just waiting to catch something a little bit bigger. But I'm keeping busy though. Not a bad day. Just caught this redfish. Look how silver they are, because they're not back in the dirty old water. They're out here in this clean San Luis Pass water. Look at this. Has 1, 2, 3, 4. Beautiful fish. Has 2 on that side. Never caught one with 4 dots on it. Spade it up, try it again. Maybe catch something a little bigger. Caught another one. About the same size. Throw them back. Caught one more, a little bit littler. I don't even know how many that makes so far. I haven't recorded a couple of them, but pretty fish. This kind of fishing happens, has a full moon, a dropping tide. It's about 6:30, and when the moon is full, 3 days before, 3 days after, it's the best time to fish. Try it sometime. Just caught another skipjack. These things are a blast to catch. It's like a little tarpon. It's a pretty nice size one. Give me a good fight. Time to throw them back. Alright, we're loaded in the truck. Caught a lot of fish today. It was a long day, windy coming back, pretty good ride. But it was fun, and now we're heading home. Take about an hour and 30 minutes, but definitely a good day. So I'll get this on the video, see how it comes out, because when we have to edit, it takes a long time to do that. So anyway, we didn't see Elvis today, but give it time. Later.